Hello and welcome to this 11 Plus English mock test. So you've got a passage here that you need to read, and then you've got to answer questions thereafter. So let's read this together. So shadows in the snow. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? The very name sends a shiver down the spine. The word wolf. Wolves are fearsome and savage, dangerous and dark. They fill our folklore. In children's stories, the wolf blew down the little pigs' houses and swallowed Little Red Riding Hood's grandmother whole. In Norse mythology, a wolf tore off the hand of the god Tyr. There's a legend that the wolf is the devil in disguise, and that some men become murderous werewolves when the moon is full. So dogs and wolves, so poor wolves, they have done little to deserve their reputation. In biological terms, they are little more than large dogs, such close relations that they can easily breed with them. All our domestic dogs are descended from wolves. Even the tiniest Yorkie can claim kinship with the largest, wildest wolf that roams the northern wilderness. Sometime more than 15,000 years ago, a few wolves were domesticated, and over centuries of breeding turned into man's best friend. Without wolves, we would have no guide dogs or sheepdogs, no hounds or retrievers, and no doggy family pets. Let's look at the size and the shape. Wolves are usually larger than dogs. The shaggy grey, thick-furred northern animal weighs around 25 to 50 kilograms, the males being slightly larger than the females. The smaller, buff-colored wolves of Asia and the Middle East weigh around 18 kilograms. The biggest recorded wolf found in Alaska was 80 kilograms in weight. Their bodies are narrower than dogs and their legs are longer. All in all, they are more athletic and more intelligent too. But they cannot be kept as pets. They are pack animals, unhappy away from other wolves. They can be very destructive, hard to train, and need enormous areas over which to roam. In essence, wolves cannot really be kept as pets or domesticated. So wild hunters, over our distant ancestors were hunters. Our own distant ancestors were hunters and competed with wolves, which were much more numerous than today. But people then probably felt that they had little to fear. Wolves are shy and unlikely to attack something as dangerous as a person. Like many predators, they choose the easiest prey, such as old, sick, or wounded animals. The native people of North America called them brother and sister hunters and respected them very much. Okay, so have a read of this again in detail and then answer the follow-up questions. Thank you.